push up on re-show, we'll fall in line, I'll be that light. Won't take no shade where we.
Yo, we're just there for the central life, you see me?
I gotta slow down, stop for a second, take a look around. And I gotta take time to hear that little voice inside saying I came to give you life.
If we do it, we will ask, what's the time? Now is the time. You write down, right. Whatever you're doing, whenever you are, please push it forward, because right about now, the one
Tomorrow.
With just his voice. What if I believed that he formed man from dust? Yeah, not chance but choice. What if I believed that he pulled Eve from Adam's side, not beneath but close to his heart, for love and glory underneath?
Alright, I ain't out for the most side. Reach my hand, no jar. Would you walk with me? I am alone, no jar. Could you talk with me? You are the reason me not in any market. You give me peace in me heart, oh, and me get rich. And a vision of tree by the gardens of big bad dog in the eye. I still a walk with a savior. Each and everywhere that I go, still I live for the most high. I live for the most high. I still a walk with a savior. Each and everywhere that I go, still now looking tougher.
Tomorrow.
Steady rocking on the midnight train. Steady rocking on the midnight train. Oh Lord, steady rocking on the midnight train to Zion, Zion. Hii maisha ni safari, tunapita kama moshi, na kabla tuzame mchangani kuna kushinda na kufeli. Oh, inabidi ujijue, tofauti ya mwalimu na mwanafunzi ni ujuzi na ujuaji. Oh, it's unbelievable that we make it this far, undeniable. We see the promised land from afar, and it's so beautiful. No, they can't touch the fire, and you know it's not in vain. We're steady tripping through the pain. Oh, we're steady rocking on the midnight train. Steady rocking on the midnight train. Oh Lord, steady rocking on the midnight train. Yeah, to Zion, Zion. 'Cause it's a narrow road to Zion. Nothing will ever deny us. Whatever it takes, keep on walking. Whatever it takes, keep on moving to Zion, to Zion, to Zion. Steady rocking on the midnight train. Oh Lord, steady rocking on the midnight train to Zion, Zion.